Hello everybody, it is Jason, and I'm just going to go over how to do this first quarter training. We are using a new video and learning platform, and so I thought we'd just send out a little video on how to do all of this. So I started out and I have my website up here that was provided to you in the email. And you should be able to just click on that and it should take you to this screen. For those of you who are doing the Zenith training, it looks a little bit different, of course. So first thing is I am not logged in, and most of you will not be logged in, so this is what we do. You are going to click here. Okay, so we'll click here, and it will then take us to this first registration page. So if you have an account already, you can simply go into the login and just type in your username and password. If you have forgotten your password, down here, right here, it says lost your password. You can actually just click on that and it'll take you to, it'll send you an email to get another password. If you don't have an account yet, and a lot of you probably don't, then you will fill out this simple information. For your username, please put your full name, okay? Because this is what's eventually going to show up on any other learning certificates that you might do later on, and most of our training is going to be on this platform from now on. So fill out this information and then click register. So right now I am going to fill in my information. I've got a dummy account here. And we got to log in. And so that will take us to our learning page. Now the learning page is where you are going to see a lot of your information from here on out. Anytime you want to go to any of your courses or go back to your courses, simply click on your learning page, and that learning page is always going to be over here on this left column. So you can just go to that learning page anytime you need that. As you start to take more classes and you have certificates, these certificates will be right over here in the left column. You just click on that, and then you can also eventually, once you have a few done, you can click on a transcript, and that'll have all of your information that you've done. Okay, so down here is our first quarter training, and this is usually where you're going to see all the courses that you're enrolled in. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, I'm back to that page. And this is our training that we're going to do. There are 4 main lessons, and within those lessons there are some quizzes, and especially the policies, there are topics. So we have the waste, fraud, and abuse, the acceptable use policy, harassment training, and all of our policy, our Zenith Meridian policies. Now you do need to take these in order. It won't let you go out of order. And for a few of them, there are just videos that you watch. Now you do have to watch the video in its entirety so that you get credit for it. If you don't go through all the way through the video, it will not show that you've taken it. Once you've done with the video, then you're going to click on, going back to the video here, just click on there. Don't click on the YouTube. That's going
This training is to educate and train all employees to report fraud, abuse, and waste in accordance with state and federal law.
And this pops it out so that it looks bigger.
In this training, we will review the definitions of waste, fraud, and abuse, a summary of federal laws you need to know,
go back here,
what you need to do to prevent waste, fraud, and abuse from
so
occurring.
Once I'm done, I will take
what you
my
need
quiz.
to do if you identify that waste, fraud,
quiz. And it'll take you to this, and you're going to start your quiz, and then you start going through your quiz. You do have to pass the quiz before you're able to move on. So if you don't pass the quiz, you can just press the restart the quiz, and that will take you to do the quiz again. You do have to get 80% on all of them in order to move on to the next lessons. So going back here, Okay, I'm going to just take you to, sorry about that. Okay, so I'm going to take you to this. Once you start to, complete all of them, you should see a green check mark here. So if there's not a green check mark, there's something wrong. But yeah, it should have a green check mark on all of them as you start to do them. I want to take you to the policies part. We do have quite a few policies. As you finish these, they will turn green. So it starts off with gray, but it eventually turns green. And so when you click on this, on the policy, what you're going to do is click on the click to read the policy, and that's going to take you to the policy. So you need to read that. You can actually toggle back. You can go back. You can close out. So this is going to open up in a new. This will open up in a new page. So this will still be here. Once you're done reading the policy, then again you'll go to the quiz. And so whenever you finish a quiz, that will actually complete that topic, and then you'll be able to move on to the next topic. So once you are done with everything, let me get back to my main page. By the way, I'm just clicking to go back. Okay, so once you're done with everything, the final one that you'll get to is the end. Okay, and in the end, it's going to tell you, congratulations, you finished everything. Now all you have to do is fill out the verification form. It's very important that you do this part, because this is what's going to get you credit in your file that you actually took this. So you're going to click on here, and you are going to fill out this information. You go down here, and you submit. So that's about it. Hopefully everything will work out well for you. If you have any questions or any problems, please email me or my assistant Grant. All of that information should be on that email that you will get. Good luck, and thanks for everything you do.